Question. A cash flow statement should report cash flows during the period classified as options A. Financing activities, option B. Operating activities, option C. Investing activities, option D. Operating, investing and financing activities. Answer option D. Operating, investing and financing activities. Payback period represents options A. The number of years needed to recover the original investment. Option B. Lifetime of the project. Option C. Number of years needed to recover 50% of initial investment. Option D. Number of years needed to get maximum profit. Answer option A. The number of years needed to recover the original investment. CRISIL rating of AAA means options A. Highest safety, option B. High risk, option C. Adequate safety, option D. Inadequate safety. Answer option A. Highest safety. Question. Fund means option A. Net working capital, option B. Gross working capital, option C. Profit, option D. Reserve. Answer option A. Net working capital. Seed capital assistance is offered by options A. SIDC, option B. KSFE, option C. TDICT, option D. RCTFC. Answer option A. SIDC. Payment of income tax is options A. Cash inflow, option B. Cash outflow, option C. Cash flow from financing, option D. Cash flow from investing. Answer option B. Cash outflow. Selection of a project depends on options A. Feasibility, option B. Cost of transportation, option C. Cost of power, option D. Cost of disposal of effluents. Answer option A. Feasibility. Profitability of a project assessed by options A. Balance sheet, option B. PBP method, option C. IRR method, option D. BEP analysis. Answer option C. IRR method. Schedule 10 to balance sheet of bank shows options A. Advances, option B. Fixed assets, option C. Contingent liabilities, option D. Other assets. Answer option B. Fixed assets. Question. Flexible budget enables to assess options A. Results at various levels of activity, option B. Profit for the period, option C. Budgeted sales and expenses, option D. Comparative investments. Answer option A. Results at various levels of activity. RBI is an example for option A. Chartered company, option B. One-man company, option C. Statutory company, option D. Foreign company. Answer option C. Statutory company. Rigging the market means option A. Pushing down the market price of a particular security, option B. Bull activity, option C. Bear activity, option D. Pushing up the market price of a particular security. Answer option D. Pushing up the market price of a particular security. An example of direct marketing company. Options A. Amway, option B. LIC, option C. ICICI, option D. PNG. Answer option A. Amway. To reduce competition. Options A. Use management skill, option B. Differentiate products, option C. Acquire smaller units, option D. To make steady distribution. Answer option C. Acquire smaller units. One of the following is not related to consumer rights. Option A, protection of health and safety. Option B, to seek redressal. Option C, to be informed. Option D, to return goods before use. Answer option D, to return goods before use. Marketing strategy is options A, allocating marketing resources. Option B, a plan of action for obtaining marketing objectives. Option C, decision for fighting competition. Option D, none of these. Answer option B, a plan of action for obtaining marketing objectives. Question. The economic and social justification for a firm's existence. Option A, customer satisfaction. Option B, profit making ability. Option C, goodwill. Option D, market focus. Answer option A, customer satisfaction. Orderly arrangement of data in rows and columns is known as option A, classification. Option B, tabulation. Option C, investigation. Option D, editing. Answer option B, tabulation. Costs which remain constant irrespective of the fluctuations in the productions are called as option A, policy costs. Option B, variable costs. Option C, shutdown costs. Option D, sunk costs. Answer option A, policy cost. Which of the following is not the objective of internal check? Option A, division of work among the staff. Option B, error and fraud are automatically detected. Option C, prevention of error and frauds. Option D, allow the staff to do any single work from beginning to end. Answer option D, allow the staff to do any single work from the beginning to end. Question. Valuation and presentation of inventory is options A, IAS 5, option B, IAS 4, option C, IAS 1, option D, IAS 2. Answer option D, IAS 2. Question. The amount of depreciation charged under annuity method. Option A remains fixed for all years. Option B decreases every year. Option C increases every year. Option D recalculated every year. Answer option A remain fixed for all years. Question. The time lag between indenting and receiving material is called option A, lead time. Option B, idle time. Option C, stock out time. Option D, none of these. Answer option A, lead time.